So today's December 21st, 2025. This will be my last video of the year. Just doing an update on the final stages of the bodywork we're doing on my race car, which is a custom built tube frame race car using 904 bodywork from the molds that I have. And then we've extensively modified the hell out of it with flares, front splitter, having the front nose removable, and the tail section obviously is separate to begin with. But as you can see, we've flared it out because I'm running 9-inch wheels on the front, 11-inch wheels on the back, so it has all its flares. The last part we were just doing is the bottom part here where it has to be flared out, and this is all custom glass work requiring a lot of foam and shaping and that, but we're coming down to the final strokes here, doing this the lower rocker part. And this is how the car sits right now. The car will have a rear wing, so it's not going to look, it just has a spoiler bonded onto the tail section right now, but it will get a separate carbon fiber wing. It'll have a Lexan or polycarbonate rear window. We've also put in a Porsche GT1 style hood scoop, which will duct some air into the cockpit. But right now, this is how it's looking. Got a little bit of work to do on this bit of a gap we have on the front where the main body work fits the nose section, which is removable. As you can see, there's a Protex latch there. That's what we use for the body work, is the Protex latches. Again, same on this side. We've got to bring that part out to match. So there's a tighter seam there. And again, on this side, you can see the back part where we've brought the lower rocker out to match the flare from the tail section. We've also made larger side scoops like the competition 904s had to get more air into the engine compartment. And you can see there's a Protex latch there. We got to modify that rocker a little bit so we can put the bottom attachment point for the Protex latch on. But that's what the flare looks like currently. Probably have to do a little bit of more trimming and sanding, and then this will all go out to be painted. And it's going to get the Porsche Grand Prix white paint job. And again, this is the engine compartment. We can see in here, you can see the inner wheel well back there. There's the Hewlin transaxle, 6-speed sequential transaxle, and my custom induction on the Porsche 993 engine. So that's where we're at right now. We got that driver's door there, which mounts on the hinges and lifts up kind of gull-wing style. And as you can see, there's the window net and all that. So yeah, that's the state we're in right now as of December 21st, 2025. And hopefully in the new year, I'll be able to post a video of the car painted and that. And then in the spring, summer of next year, we'll get the car on the track for a test and tune, and then it's going to be, unfortunately for me, going up for sale. I will probably post a new video in the new year, either January, February, maybe one more time before it's painted. Hopefully by then I'll have it all corner weighed and everything, so I'll have an exact weight. Right now we're looking to come in around 1,250, 1,300 pounds for the weight of this car. And the engine's currently putting out around 310 horse. Anyways, that's it for now. And we'll see you in the new year. And bring you up to date on my current ongoing, it seems forever, 904 project.